Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle, it's finished, that red one, and actually it's finished very good, indicating the people, they still believe in the Bitcoin. It will not fall down more, and that one is something good. So those people, they still believing in Bitcoin. They still catching it here. So till now, there is no falling more. But I got bad news for you guys today. Maybe we're going to see another drop. That fundamental me I'm talking here. But for long-term fundamental, also we are very close, guys. And let me show you all those things. So for fundamental, guys, there is nothing here. There is no news for tomorrow because tomorrow is Saturday, and majority of you as didn't know there is nothing in Saturday and Sunday. But our table here, it's telling us something very good, guys. Here, look at it. Here stocks, everything it's finished green here. So the weekly it's finished green. That's something very good. Plus here, our friend, that one also we saw it every time, is the VIX. What it's showing to us is it below 23 of yesterday. Also we are 22.52. We are very close to be below 20, guys. And that's something very good. That's when the market it started getting lower and lower. And the bad news, guys, more crypto companies, they are going to liquidate the Bitcoin to pay the debt because the banks, they're asking them, they need to back the money of them because what's happening in FTX. So those investors, they don't still trust now in Bitcoin. But believe me, guys, that when it's just noise of the market, it's not something you don't need to be concerned about. Also, we are investors for long term, guys. We don't care about those things. Also, the data is telling us what to do, guys. And another thing, let me show it to you. Is it that one, guys? As you see it, that one, also we talking before about it. Is it the stock to flow? And here, as you see that one here, those lines here, they showing you when is it the halving cycle coming. And as you see, guys, here, what the color it's become here, as if is here, started changing from that light blue to dark blue. So it started getting closer and closer, guys. And the halving cycle is very close. As you see, it is in 24. So also we're getting very close. So every time in a single year that meant 2019, 2023, 2015, it happened. That magic, guys, that the cycle of Bitcoin as you see it in front of you. And the halving cycle, it meant, guys, let me explain it to you like that, very simple like that for anyone to understand. Let's say there is 100 Bitcoin in the just an example, 100 Bitcoin in the market. So when that halving cycle came, they are going to take it off the half of that 100 Bitcoin. So it's going to stay in the market only 100. That meant the miners, they will not have more Bitcoin, and it's going to increase the Bitcoin in the market. It will not be that much, and that one is something very good, guys. And that's why me every time I tell you guys, invest all in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, that the good news about it and the good things about it, there is no one controlling the Bitcoin, guys. No one. All the other crypto, they are controlled by someone. Ethereum is controlled by someone. BNB is controlled by someone. The Dogecoin is controlled by someone. But Bitcoin is controlled by us. That's why I told you invest all in Bitcoin, guys. It's going back now to the chart to see what is it there, guys. So as I told you guys here in the chart, also we are very close now. We don't know. Maybe it's going to drop to the 12k. Maybe that one is being the bottom. And you're going to see a big going higher from here. And here, what we got here, I'm talking here about technical analysis, guys. I showed you that one before, but it's okay to repeat it. We got here in that zone, like that. We said we got here a down channel like that, as you see it, guys. We touched the lower of it here, the top of it here, again the top here. Now we touched the lower of it here. So now either from here, we're going to go higher again, or maybe from here, we're going to come and we break in the lower of it here, and we go to the 12k. No one know exactly, guys. As majority of you know, and I tell it to you and I repeat it all that, it's noise, guys. Don't care about it. Don't listen to the media, guys. Yes, I told it. The banks, they want from the investors to back their money and to show them where is the money of them. But you don't need to care, because also we've been in the world of crypto for long. We heard China, they banning crypto for 1,000 times. Crypto or Bitcoin, it came to stay, guys. They are not going to nowhere. Everything is too clear, guys. And everything now is going to the crypto, guys. Everything now is going to the crypto. As you see Google, as you see Facebook, everything now is going to the world of digitalized, guys. So make the things in your brain and never forget it, and don't never ever be afraid and sell in losses. Don't never ever be afraid and sell in losses, guys. Me, I'm holding Bitcoin. Me, I am personally, I'm talking to you, and I'm a professional investor. That's my job, that I'm earning my living. I'm holding Bitcoin from 30K, guys, from 30,000, and look where we are, 17K. Did I never ever enter and try to sell? No, because I don't use a leverage. And I know that Bitcoin one day it will go in higher, guys. Even if it's taken here 2,000 years, I'm just going to buy here lower. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's still in his place. It came, it touch here. Now it's going back up. It's still here. So now either from here is going to come and to break for us that last high here, that one here, and it's going to go till here, or another scenario is going to come down to touch again here, and after that it will go in upward, guys. By the way, yes you, my friend, are you not yet subscribed on our channel? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. And also we analyze only Bitcoin. So if you are interested only about Bitcoin, welcome, my friend. We don't analyze anything else apart from Bitcoin. So if you want to join us, a red button down next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here in our indicator, guys, there is nothing new here. We're still in our place, so we don't need to waste more time here. It's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, I show you in the last video. We got here a divergence, as you see it, guys, because if you came here like that and you try to connect in that one like that, you put a horizontal line like that. Is it that one, guys? Yes or no? Look at that low here. The changing. Look at that low here compared to that low here. Yes or no? And look at that one compared to that one, guys. All the drop, guys, here is manipulated. They just want small investors to get scared, guys. That's why I told you. Also, we are going to go higher no matter how long it takes. Yes, we're going to stay here sideways for some time. Then you're going to see it going up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. There is nothing hard here. And look here what it giving you here, guys. Now it give us here a new pattern here, as you see it here. It give us here like a wedge like that. So now either from here, from that level, we're going to go higher, guys, to touch here. Or from here, from that level where we are, we're going to drop and we're going to break lower, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. You don't need to make things very complicated for the people that follow you. And here in our chart, the same thing. We still have the lower of that wedge, that white one, as you see it. We touched it here before, and now we touch it again here. We show from there a rejection, but the rejection is not that stronger, and we still haven't break that level as we draw yesterday together. So till now that level, it's still very stronger. So let's hope now we're going to break it and we go back up. That's something very good, guys. And that one is going to tell us something very, very interesting. Let me show it to you. It's going to tell us people that trading with Wyckoff didn't know that. That level here, they call it accumulation level. And that one, that is going to be a fake breakout if it's happening and the price go back inside. That is a very, very huge indicator the market is going to reverse, guys. You can search for it in the Wyckoff chart, you're going to find it, but it's need that one to go back inside here, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what is it there. By the way, yes, you, my friend, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. Smash the like button, writing down a comment, please, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's go in now to the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours in the last video, what did I told you here about that place here? I told it's going to drop. It dropped, and here what it's showing to us here in that place here. It zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it, what it's showing to us there. Look at it there. What it giving us here, guys? That green candle, what is indicating? It's indicating that the market is going to reverse, guys. And another thing here, if you're being focused with me here about that red candle, that one, you can draw in here inside bar, guys. Yes or no? What's my view personally? Me personally, I think Saturday and Sunday we're going to stay here in the range of that candle, that one, guys. We'll not break either up or either down. We're going to stay inside the range of that inside bar, guys. Everything is too clear. And here, what did I told you else here about that one, guys? We came in the last video and we do it like that. I told you the Bitcoin is trying to give you here like a flag or a channel or name it whatever you want. If it came upward like that, it's going to give you here a double bottom, guys, like that. Very clear double bottom here. Yes or no? But it might to come upward till here, then after that to come and to break lower, guys. And that one is going to become a flag and a continuation pattern. The market is going to fall down more, guys. Yes, everything is showing us we will change it now, but till now it's still early, guys. I told you all those things before. Look at it. It needs to give us here a double bottom like that and to come and to break for us here. If it doesn't, us we are not going to enter, guys, because that level where we are here is very, very stronger level. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, you see that white one, that one is a downtrend. When we break it, we couldn't break it again up. We came to it and it's reacting here like a very stronger resistance. Now we try to fall down, but there is not a lot of people. They try to push it down, and here down it's showing market is going to reverse. Now we need to make a close eye here at that level here, guys. What the market is going to do there, either to break upward or is going to stay here. Today and tomorrow, guys, there is no volume. The market is going to stay sideways here. We need the market to get the volume, guys, to break higher. Till now, there is nothing indicating the market is going to break. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, when we touch here the oversold area, that's it. It came here. As you see it here in our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Also, we are here in sideways market. There is no one buying, no one selling. Is only the market makers, those ones the benefiting from spread, is them the benefiting here, guys. So for swing trading, it's still very, very, very early for you to think of to enter, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys. It's still very, very early for you to think of to enter long here in the 4 hours. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys. Also, we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Another thing here, price action, that the most important part, but we don't got one. We need to have here at least, I tell it to you when we just touch in here. I told you, if you remember, I told you a falling knife, it need to fall down and to bounce for us to catch it. That things you see in here, that the bouncing of that falling knife, guys, it need to take some time here bouncing to stop and to slow. There is no power to push lower than that. And to give us here a price action, the market is going to reverse, guys. That when us we need to enter. Till now, we don't know. Maybe those ones here, they are just resting. Then you're going to see it more drop. That's why I told you waiting here the price action telling you need to enter, guys. Everything is too clear. You get what I'm trying to tell you or no? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity to enter in it tomorrow. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes people they've been with us. I told you it gave us here a double top. I told you to enter, you enter till here. Will that you take profit? Yes or no? And what did I told you here? I told you look at the market what it's trying to give you here. A head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? You see it or no? Give you here a head and shoulder like that. But he couldn't break the neckline here, which is here. He couldn't break it here. What it's showing there, if you've been with us in the 4 hours, what else we said? We said we got here in that place a channel like that. That's what else we said in the 4 hours. Is that channel being broken? No, my friend. But here you can do something else. You can make like that and like that. I'm talking here about 30 minutes for scalpers. You see it or no? It give you here a channel or a flag indicating that the market is going to reverse, guys. Should you enter long? Let's see our indicators, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Also, we are at the oversold area. Yes or no? We got here a price action. That one here, as you see it, may I show it to you, that one. That channel here or that flag, if it came and breaking higher here, in that place here, you enter long, guys. Here in 30 minutes, me I'm talking. Where are you going to take the profit? You came here, you do it like that. That line, that one, you bring it in the place of that flag here. That one here, and you do it the same one like that. So it might the Bitcoin go till here, guys. Tell that supply and demand zone here as you see it. The top of it is those ones. The lower of it is that one. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So make a close eye at those ones. What the market is going to tell you. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close or the time of European market close. Bye for now, guys.